Hello, Conceal Coalition. Hey, quick question. Would it concern you if I told you that in 80% of assaults, your firearm is probably going to be 100% the wrong tool? You see, in most assaults, it's a simple assault, and the threat we face is a physical threat, not a deadly threat. We can only use deadly force when we truly believe our life's in danger. So in most situations, we need a tool that falls between profanity and a pistol. And in most self-defense situations, the perfect intermediate use of force tool will be a high-quality pepper spray. Hi, I'm Austin Davis. I'm a Texas police officer with over 30 years experience of teaching law enforcement, corporations, and every kind of average citizen imaginable how to prevent, manage, and recover from crime. I received my first pepper spray instructor certification in 1992, and I've trained innumerable amounts of people. I've been sprayed in training, I've used it in the real world, and I truly believe pepper spray in the right circumstances can literally be a lifesaver. Pepper spray is the most basic, affordable, and I would argue the most undervalued piece of safety equipment you can own. But, and it's a big but, there's a huge problem I see with pepper spray. Many people think it's just spray and pray, and there's far more to it than that. When it comes to pepper spray, we have to take into account equipment, training, education, and tactics before we just grab a can and go. So whether you want to use pepper spray in addition to your carry firearm, for those situations where you can't carry a firearm, or for those people in your life you love and care about who will not or cannot carry a firearm, the whole point of this episode is to make you as educated and as effective with that less lethal tool of pepper spray. With that in mind, let's start with, what is pepper spray?